పాడి సుప్రీంకోర్టు జడ్జి చేత ముద్ర వేయించారు. சொல்றேன் நான் தெலுங்கு ஃப்ளோல இருக்கேன், தெலுங்கு முடிக்கட்டும் அப்புறம் நான் தமிழ்లో சொல்றேன். సో వీడు చక్కగా దినదిన ప్రవర్ధమానం చక్కగా చదువుకొని, నేను సంగీతం నేర్పించిన గురువుగా నా ఆశ నాకుంది. వాడు పెద్ద సైంటిస్ట్ అవుతా, డాక్టర్ అవుతా అంటే సంతోషమే, కానీ సంగీతంలో మంచి పేరు తెచ్చుకొని మంచి గాయకుడిగా రావాలని చెప్పి నా మనసు కోరుకుంటుంది. అది నా తాపత్రయం. వాడు అతి త్వరలోనే ఇంకా మంచి మంచి కచేరీలు, మంచి మంచి ఐటమ్స్ నేర్చుకొని పెద్ద పెద్ద సభలలో కచేరీ చేసి నాకు వచ్చిన బిరుదుల కంటే ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నతమైనటువంటి టైటిల్స్ వాడు పొందాలి. గురువుని మించిన శిష్యుడు అంటారు, అంత పేరు రావాలి. అతి త్వరలో వాడు ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండాలని, వాళ్ళ అమ్మ నాన్న వాళ్ళు, వాళ్ళ తాతయ్యలందరూ ఈ విధంగానే వాడిని ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలని. వాళ్ళ అమ్మ నాన్న నిజంగా ఈరోజు పునీతులయ్యారు. వాడు కొడుకును కనగానే సరిపోలేదంటారు. వాడు ప్రయోజకుడై పెద్దగయ్యి బుద్ధిమంతుడు కావాలట. కొడుకు పుట్టాడని ప్రచారం చేయడం కాదు. ఈరోజు వాడు 10వ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాడు, వాడు సంగీత కచేరీ చేశాడంటే ఆ తల్లిదండ్రులు ఎంత పునీతులయ్యారు. వాళ్ళ జన్మ ధన్యమైంది. అది అదేవిధంగా వీడి చెల్లెలుంది, అది చాలా తెలివిగలది, చైతన్య దాని పేరు. అది ఎక్కడుందో వెళ్ళిపోయిందా ఇంటికి. ఆ అమ్మాయి కూడా బాగా పాడుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మా విజయ్ దగ్గర నేను చెప్పాను, నేను కొంచెం సంగీతం మొదలుపెట్టాను. విజయ్ దగ్గర ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకుంటుంది. ముందు ఇక్కడ ఫిల్టర్ అయితే కానీ నా దగ్గర రాదు. విజయ్ చెప్పాలన్నమాట, గురువుగారు ఈ అమ్మాయి బాగా పాడుతుందంటే సరే మంచిది చూసుకుంటాం, మీరు చెప్పాలి గురువుగారు, నేను చెప్పేస్తాను. సో చైతన్య ఇప్పుడు వర్ణాలు అవన్నీ బ్రష్ అప్ అవుతున్నాయి. చక్కగా అది అనుకున్న వర్ణాలని 2-3 కాలాలు 2-3 స్పీడ్ బాగా నేర్చుకొని అతి త్వరలోనే మళ్ళీ నేను చెప్పే స్థితికి తను వచ్చి నా దగ్గర ఆన్లైన్లో పాటలు నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత అతి త్వరలోనే అది కూడా అరంగేట్రం ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేస్తుందని మనం అందరం ఆశిద్దాం. ఇదే విధంగా మనం మళ్ళీ ఇదే స్టేజ్ మీద మళ్ళీ మనం కలుసుకుందాం. ఇదే విధంగా అందరూ రావాల్సిందే. చక్కటి భోజనం కూడా ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. ఆ రోజు కూడా మళ్ళీ ఇదే భోజనం కంటే ఇంతకంటే మంచి భోజనం కూడా పెడతాం. సో అది మొత్తానికి నేను మాట్లాడుతుంటే అలా వెళ్ళిపోతుంటుంది. ఏ అన్నా తమిళ్లో సోదరేనా అన్నట్టు, తమిళ్ మక్కా మ్యూజిక్ సోదేనే. ఇలా రాజమండ్రి, కాకినాడ, హైదరాబాద్, బెంగళూరు, మైసూరు ఎంగే పాడినా కూడా అది సుప్రీంకోర్టు ఇలా మామూలు కోర్టు, ఆర్డినరీ కోర్టు. நம்ம చెన్నైలో పాడినది அதுதான் மெயின் சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட்டு. இப்போ போக 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 அவர் நம்ம சென்னையில் கச்சேரி பாடினட்டு அங்கே சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட்ட அந்த சாப்பு அந்த ஸ்டாம்ப் வரணும். அதுக்கோசம் பெருமாள் அவருக்கு அனுகிரகம் கொடுக்கணும். அது ரொம்ப சீக்கிரமாக நடக்கணும். அப்படி நான் பெருமாளுக்கு பிரார்த்தனை பண்ணிக்கிறேன். நான் சொன்னேன் இப்போ ஒரு 2-3 ஹவர்ஸ் அப்படியே போக ராகம் பாடுற மாதிரி. அவர் 4-5 ஐட்டம்ஸ் இருக்கு. அப்புறம் அத்தனை பேருக்கு பசி இருக்கு. டைம் 7:25 ஆயிருக்கு. ஃபுட் எல்லாம் ரெடி இருக்கு. மன்னிக்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.
The next item, that's it. The next item that we will be performing today is Nanmonu Veliyat, Navarasa Kannada Ragam, Adikalam, and composed by Sri Papanasam Sivan. நானொரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மைக்கு நானொரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மைக்கு நானொரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மைக்கு நானொரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மைக்கு ஜெகம் நாயகியே உமையே ஒன்றெனக்கு 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 நானொரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மைக்கு மாநிலத்தில் பல பிறவியெடுத்து 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 மாநிலத்தை போகாத தேவி மாநிலத்தில் பல பிறவியெடுத்து மாநிலத்தை போகாத தேவி மாநிலத்தில் பல பிறவியெடுத்து மாநிலத்தை போகாத தேவி மாநிலத்தில் பல பிறவியெடுத்து மாநிலத்தை போகாத உந்தனக்கு நானொரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மைக்கு ஜெகம் நாயகியே உமையே ஒன்றெனக்கு நானொரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மைக்கு அருளமுதை தருக அம்மா அம்மா என்று அலறுவதை கேட்கலானந்தமா அருளமுதை தருக அம்மா அம்மா என்று அலறுவதை கேட்கலானந்தமா ஒரு புகழ் இன்றி உன் திருவடி அடைந்தேனே 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 திருவலம் இறங்காத தேவி ஒரு புகழ் இன்றி உன் திருவடி அடைந்தேனே திருவலம் இறங்காத தேவி ஒரு புகழ் இன்றி
make a small announcement. Tomorrow in Ashtalakshmi Temple in Burbank, Guru Garu is singing at 6:30. We have a concert there. So I request all of you to be present at Ashtalakshmi Temple tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. Thank you so much.
The next item that we will be performing today is Tamburi Nitidava, Sindhu Bhairavi Ragam, Tisra Adi Talam, composed by Sri Purandara Dasa. Tamburi Nitidava, Bhavami Datidava, Tamburi Nitidava, Bhavami Datidava, Talava Kattidava, Sukadolu Seriga, Talava Kattidava, Sukadolu Seriga, Tamburi Nitidava, Jaya Kattidava, Jaya Kattidava, Kalmasha Netidava, Jaya Kattidava, Kalmasha Netidava, Ganama Podidava, Hari Murti Nodidava, Ganama Podidava, Hari Murti Nodidava, Vidalana Nodidava, Purandara, Vidalana Nodidava, Purandara, Vidalana Nodidava, Ayundake Hodidava, Vidalana Nodidava, Ayundake Hodidava, Tamburi Nitidava, Bhavami Datidava, Talava Kattidava, Sukadolu Seridava, Tamburi Nitidava. The next item that will be performed today is Sarana Saranu in Janjuti Ragam, Triputa Kalam, composed by Sri Annamacharya. Saranu Saranu Surendra Sannuta Saranu Sripati Vallabha, Saranu Saranu Surendra Sannuta Saranu Sripati Vallabha, Saranu Rakshasa Garbha Samhara, Saranu Venkatanayaka, Saranu Rakshasa Garbha Samhara, Saranu Venkatanayaka, Saranu Saranu Surendra Sannuta Saranu Sripati Vallabha. Kamala Darudulu, Kamala Nekulu, Kamala Sentulu Kodulu, Kamala Darudulu, Kamala Nekulu, Kamala Sentulu Tilana in Behag Ragam, Adhikam.
Isn't that a wonderful performance, Raju? Loud applause, please, to Raju and the others. Raju, would you like to say some few words about the journey?
I would like to say a couple of words. So, in the beginning, I was, not very keen on Sangeetam, and when I was introduced to Guru Garu by Vijay Aunty, I was really scared, to be honest, because I didn't know how would I live up to the expectations of such a great singer, so respected around the world. So, but the way he treated me made me feel so comfortable, and I was able to pick up things much easier than I thought it would. I never, he's such a great person, and I always want to impress him, and that's the reason why I got hooked on Sangeetam, just because I wanted to impress him. So that gave me that motivation to follow in his footsteps, basically. So I'd really thank Guru Garu from the bottom of my heart. secondly, I'd like to thank Vijay Auntie. She's always there for me no matter what. She always gives me encouraging words when I'm not singing well or like when I'm sick, like this week. So she always is there just to like, say, it'll be okay. Just go up there and sing your best. And she's the main reason why I'm up here today singing. And so I really thank you for that. And then third, I'd like to thank everybody here who's listening. I didn't expect this many people to come just for the fact that it's me. But it really to see you guys encouraging me to continue singing and being here and just enjoying my music makes me really happy, and I love it. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And finally, I'd like to thank my family. They came from India and across America just for this one event, which lasted about 3 hours. So I'd like to thank Bama, Mama, Tata, Jetu, Amma Nana, Amulya, Sadiq, Pritesh, everybody who I'm related to, for being here. Because it really makes me happy to see that my relatives, love me that much to come to listen to me, which is not an easy thing. I'll now like to hand it over to my mom.
Thank you, Raju. Sham is here. He wants to thank everybody.
Thank all of you for coming here and making this event a success. Thanks to everybody. And I thank Guru Garu for coming from India to US and making this event happen. Thanks a lot, Guru Garu. I thank Vijay and Ramapanupuli. As we said, they are a part of our family. Actually, I am part of their family. And thanks to Anumurthy and also Srinivasan sir. I thank Las Padmas Unified School District for providing this facility, and as you know, it was very pleasant and very well maintained. And thanks to Brian Redman especially, and he's the technical director and he helped us with all the arrangements.
Brian is over there. Please give him a big hand. Thank you, Brian.
And thanks to all Raj's teachers from Oak Park High School, and especially to Mrs. Willis for coming here, supporting him and encouraging him. Thanks to all Oak Park Institute School District teachers and Oak Park High School teachers. And for this event, many people came from actually all over, from all parts of it. And thanks to my mother, Janaki Devi, and my father-in-law, Nagasaravaru, and my mother-in-law, Bharati. Thanks for coming to US for this event. And I also thank people who came from different parts of US. Satish from New Jersey. And Sagar from San Jose. And also Ardham family from San Jose. And Madhavi from San Diego. Rama and Fani from San Diego. And my friend Sanya Siraju. Okay.
Texas.
And also Dr. Venkat for coming from. Thanks a lot.
not enough words how indebted we are for all of you to come here and witness Raj's program, encourage him and bless him. As we say, this is a Sangeeta Kutumbam, and we are not friends and relatives, we are Atma Bandhulu. If we all resonate for the music and make this music go to the next level and encourage our younger generations. Thank you so much, each and everybody. Thank you. Dinner is being served over there, and before we go for dinner, I just want to read out. We have a Chidulasam concert being organized on October 20th here in Simi Valley. It's in the temple in Simi Valley. Guru Garu is doing the concert. We request you all to please come and enjoy the program. The program is on Sunday, October 20th from 4:30 p.m. onwards in 1925 Royal Simi Valley in the India Community Center. May I request all of you to please come over and have dinner, please?
And you can get the paper, which tells you where everything is outside over there. So please stop by and take a peek.
We want to mention about Pendekanti family also. Thank you so very much, Niharika, for helping us. Thank you all.
Come here.
Lights chair.
రావడం చాలా